morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I have come back with maths, and in maths I am going to teach you about subtraction. See this sign? What is the sign means? This means minus. A sleeping line means it is minus. Do you know the meaning of subtraction? Minus, making less, or reducing. These are three words for subtraction. हिंदी में कहें तो subtraction का मतलब होता है कम करना या घटाना. I hope you all might have learned in class 1 about subtraction. And today I am going to explain you the same but a little bit wider portion. Please pay attention. Now you might have seen here three objects. The first one is your triangle shape. And what is the sum, beta? 8 minus 4. The first sum is 8 minus 4. Always remember, in subtraction, always the smaller number will be deducted from the greater number. हमेशा छोटा नंबर ही बड़े नंबर से हम उसे कम कर सकते हैं. Now count the objects first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, what is the sum here? 8. How much we have to minus? How much we have to make less from 8? Which is 4. Now, how we will deduct, beta? From behind or this side? Choice will be yours. But we have to deduct only 4. So, let us start from the end. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 we have deducted. Now, how much it is remaining if we have deducted from 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 8 minus 4, the answer will give you as 4. Let us write, the answer will give us as 4. Now, look at these flowers. These are 2 flowers, 2 minus 0. 0 means it has no value. But when the sum is given 2 minus 0, that means out of these 2 flowers, you don't have to minus anything. आपको इसमें से कुछ भी subtract नहीं करना है. So what is the total? If I am not cancelling anything, it will be 1 and 2. So the 2 minus 0 will give you the total as 2. Okay? Look at the third object here. There are balls. How many balls you have got us? I don't know. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yes. Total number of balls are 10. And I have kicked the balls and I have thrown the ball somewhere else out. How many balls I have kicked? I have kicked 5 balls. So now I am going to kick it out. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have kicked out 5 balls here. So total how many balls are remaining out of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 10 minus 5 will give you as 5. I hope these objects and the subtraction using the objects you might have understood. Same way you can draw more objects and you can practice the sum on. Now come to the next portion, which is known as these are the number lines. What are these? It is the number line and the sums are given to you here. Let us see what we have to do in the sum, how we have to subtract using the number lines here. Now the first sum is 9 minus 3. Again there is the bigger number is written here and we have to deduct 3 out of 9. So first one what we are going to do is we will start from 9 and we will go रिवर्स. हम वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे और हम उल्टे चलेंगे क्योंकि हमें उसको माइनस करना है. सो हाउ मेनी वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट बेटा? 3. लेट अस स्टार्ट. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2 and this is 3. If I have deducted 3 out of 9, what is my answer here? Yes, it is 6 because I have stopped on number 6. Right? Look at the second sum. 11 minus 8. The number line starts from 0 and it ends till 13, and total number are 13 on the number lines. If my sum is 11 minus 8, the first number which I am going to start or keep my pen will be on number 11, and one by one I have to deduct number 8. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If I have deducted 8 from 11, my total is 3. My total will be 3. So, 11 minus 8, my answer I have got is 3. Now, the third example I am showing you here. Please pay attention carefully. My sum is 7 minus 4. Now, the first thing which I have to do is, yes, I will have to keep my chalk on number 7 first. And how many numbers I have to deduct? 4 numbers out of it. Come on, start us. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 7 minus 4, my answer what I have got is 3. Children, these are the two aspects, the objects as well as the number lines. You have to keep on drawing using the scale and put the numbers accordingly and try to practice. There will be no difficulty in solving in this manner. If you practice these sums first, I hope here there are different way of sums. I have written 2-digit numbers here, and we have to deduct these numbers very correctly. Now you see here, the first sum which I have shown is 43 minus 12. I have departed it because the first number which we are going to deduct is 0. That is ones. T means tens. Ones and tens. So first we will start from ones number. 3 minus 2. If I have 3 fingers and out of that if I have to minus 2, how many it is remaining? Yes, it is 1. 4 minus 1. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much I have to minus beta? 1. This I have taken out. How many it is remaining? 3. Yes, the number is 3. So 43 minus 12 will give you 31. The total will be 31. Look at the other sum. 27 minus 10. Now in the ones place, in one place there is 7 and in the secondary the sum is 0. If you are minusing any, if you are subtracting any number with 0, the answer will be the same. That means 7 minus 0 will give you the same number. आपको उसमें से कुछ भी नहीं घटाना है, तो same number आपका नीचे आएगा. Now, look at the tens number. It is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Here I am holding 2 chalks. If I am keeping 1 in my pocket, it is remaining 1. So my answer is 17. Right? Look at this third sum. 66 minus 55. Again it is there. 6 minus 5. So first what you need to do is take out 6 fingers. In one hand we have 5 fingers and in another hand I am using one more finger. So total it is 6. Now out of 6 if I have to take out 5. 6 में से मुझे 5 को पूरा निकाल देना है. That means this I am going to make a punch and keep it in my pocket. How many finger is remaining here? It is 1. So I am going to write here 1. And you can see both the numbers in tens place and the ones place it is same. So the total will be the same. And I have got 66 minus 55. I have got the answer as 11. अब इस वाले सम पे देखिए बेटा 85 minus 42. 85 minus 42. In ones place, it is 5 minus 2. These are my 5 fingers and I have to remove 2 out of it and the answer which I am getting is 3. So I will write here 3. Now 8. Now it's a big number. 8 numbers are there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now out of 8, I have to minus 4. 8 में से मुझे 4 को खत्म कर देना है, कम करना है, घटाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many it is remaining, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 will give you the total as 4. So 85 minus 42, and my answer is 43. Look at the last sum carefully. 39 minus 18. Here is 9 in the ones place, and out of 9 you have to deduct completely 8. So these are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Out of 9 I have to deduct 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many it is remaining? 1. Yes. And in tens place it is given 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. How many the fingers I am having in my hand? After deducting 1, it is 2. So 39 minus 18 will give you 21. Dear students, I hope you have understood. Please practice, because maths need a daily practice. Either you take 2 sums, 3 sums, but please keep on practicing every day so that you become very perfect in maths. Thank you. Take care.